Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn about daily mental training routine. Let me ask you something simple. Have you ever learned something new, felt excited, and then slowly stopped practicing? Not because you didn't care, but because you didn't have a clear routine. That's what we are going to fix today. Why a routine matters. Everything you have learned so far focus, awareness, visualization, emotional sensitivity, breath control, these are all skills. And like any skill, they grow with consistency, not intensity. You don't need long hours. You just need a simple structure you can follow daily. Let's keep it simple. If a routine feels complicated, you won't stick to it. So we are going to keep this short, clear, and flexible. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough. Your daily routine step by step. Here's your core practice. You can do this in the morning or any quiet time. First, breath awareness. Let's do this for 2 minutes. Start with slow breathing, inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Just let your body settle. Next is focus training. For 2 minutes, pick one object, keep your attention on it. If your mind drifts, gently return. Next is meditation. Let's do it for 3 minutes. Close your eyes, observe your breath, let your thoughts come and go. Next is visualization. Imagine a simple object. Add detail, then slight movement. Keep it relaxed. Next is awareness expansion. You can do this for 2 minutes. Become aware of your body, your thoughts, your surroundings at the same time. Next is if you have a little more time, add this reflection. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. Think about one interaction from your day. Ask, what did I notice? What emotions were present? Did I sense anything subtle? This strengthens pattern recognition. How to stay consistent. Here are few simple tips. Keep the same time daily. Build a habit. Don't aim for perfection. Even a short session is enough. And most importantly, don't skip just because you don't feel like it. Consistency builds momentum. And what you'll start noticing is if you follow this routine for a few days, you may begin to notice your mind feels calmer, your focus improves, you pick up on subtle details more easily, and over time, these small changes become natural. Just ask yourself, can I give this 10 minutes a day for the next 7 days? That's it. No pressure beyond that. And the final thought, you don't need to do everything perfectly. You don't need to rush results. You just need to show up consistently. Because transformation doesn't come from one big effort, it comes from small, repeated moments of awareness. And you have already taken the first step. In the next section, we'll begin exploring something exciting telepathic communication fundamentals, where you'll start applying everything you have built so far. I'll see you there.